Welcome to Tiny Tales and Fun Factory. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright from near and far. Night so calm, the sky so blue, little star, I love you. Did you like the poem, kids? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.